YouTube. This shit was a little fight, man, but we got it up in there. Even got the motherfuckers labeled. Got some little tags and shit on all of them. Name on one side. Got them on this head. Crankshaft. These are all my pistons up in this jank. Already cleaned all of them. Flex plate. I think I'm gonna get a new harmonic balancer, but I'm gonna take that anyway, just in case they need it. But everything fit up in this jank. So yeah, we locked and loaded. Time to go drop this bitch off now. Let's get it.
Rich money, rich cities with a rich chick. Not bad for a man about a rich man. Rich money, rich cities with a rich chick. Not bad for a man about a rich man. Heavy, I'm real heavy. My chain heavy. Nigga can't decide what car to drive. Cadillac or the Chevy. Getting Becky. Riding on Sunset, smoking sherbet. Made the bitch pay me first to show me her mouth was worth it on purpose. Men like me, we be pimping. Hustle hard all year just to sleep in frate linen. That's luxury. Adding pieces to my collection. Everything got a place. Properly select your settings, so don't touch it. Bitch, if you break it, you gotta buy it. You can't get this in America. This is one of a kind, and I ain't lucky. 100% of my work is paid off. Made boss, gotta take time off just to play golf. Getting rich money, rich cities with a rich chick. Not bad for a man about.
Alright, YouTube, we up out of there, man. It's crazy, dude, because they called me and told me I could bring it in. I just dropped off everything to him, but this dude's still talking about a 2 to 3 month wait. Like, god damn. Already been waiting about 2 to 3 months, man. That's why I ain't been posting no videos and shit, man. I've been doing everything else. But hey, 2 to 3 month wait. He got my crank, my pistons, my heads. Yeah, 2 to 3 month wait. He got my crank, my pistons, my heads. I gave him the main caps. He didn't need the flex plate or the harmonic balancer because I'm planning on keeping the same pistons. So I mean, glad I put tags on everything too, man. They got a back order in this jank. I just walked in there. It's like 20 to 30 motors, just blocks, just sitting all over the place, man. Like, dude. So I guess we're gonna find something else to work on, man. Get back to that amp rack or sunroof, paint, body work, something next, man. But this ain't about to put me in no more standstills, man. Oh, we leaving. I don't even think I ever showed y'all my Halo, man. But I bought this jank when this shit first came out. This the Halo 9. Like the first week this shit dropped, I bought this motherfucker, man. I don't know how many years I done had it now, but I still ain't even take the plastic off of it. I'll never take the plastic off my stuff, man. If somebody else did, I'll be ready to kill them. Let's scratch that. Back at it, YouTube. It's a beautiful day out this jank, man. Show y'all what I've been thinking. I did not wrap this. I bought this jank just like this. It's a console from out of 94 to 96 Impala. And it fit right up in this jank. Perfect. I even got the brackets. Just got to go ahead and weld them janks down. But what I'm thinking is I'm gonna wait until I get my carpet so I could go ahead and color match it. Order the same material for my carpet for the console. And I'm gonna rewrap that jank. Add some other little shit to it. I bought some ABS plastic as well. A few sheets of that. So I'm gonna end up redoing this whole little part right here. Probably not even the whole part. I may just add some little switches or gauges or buttons or some shit somewhere on it. Just give it a little spin, makeover. But yeah, time is money, man. And I was sitting there building the console for this jank, and I'm like, you know what? Fuck this. Spending too much time on this. I'm just gonna go ahead and cop this bitch. It was in like 34 carts on eBay, so if y'all ain't buy this jank before I did, hey, shit, I'm sorry. You want that shit, better go get it. But yeah, I'm about to make another junkyard run. I seen 2 Caprices that they got. I'm about to go in, I painted my door sills a long time ago. It ain't nothing to clean the paint off them, but I'm about to go and take some new janks. And it got the rocker panels on it. Some of my clips that broke. I ordered some new ones, but still an opportunity to go and try to take some off of that. But yeah, in a minute, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get her a bath. I'm gonna keep on working. Hey, somebody asked me to show them this fuel setup, man. My fuel line. So, oh shit, hold on. I might be too far. I am too far. Oh shit, hold on. Doing my best. Alright, let's see. Alright, since I ain't got my harness and none of that crap in here yet. Where the fuck is it? Oh, matter of fact, it's in the back. I ran it this way. Alright. So from the fuel sending unit, right, you'll have this piece. What I did is I went on Amazon and I bought another piece, a male and a female. And I'm gonna splice into all of these wires, put the new connectors on it. This black one is your ground. You just got to mount this to a ground or something somewhere. And this purple one is gonna go to the pink one. So if you just got this one little pink wire like this, go ahead and splice that purple one into that jank. Find a ground for your black one, and then run your gray one up to your new wire harness fuel line, which should have a relay and all that shit on it too. Damn, he ain't even come fucking with me. Yeah, my bad, man. I couldn't drop that information a little earlier, but back out here now. Alright, I hope this explains it a little bit better. This is the piece that I bought off of Amazon. It's a male and a female connector. Alright. The little prongs to put your wires and stuff in. You're gonna have to build this. The wires that I ordered the same colors that's on my fuel sending unit, the black, gray, and the purple. Because I'm gonna keep everything the same. Like the black gonna be the black, the gray gonna go to the gray, purple gonna go to the pink, for real. Yep, purple gonna go to the pink. And all I did was buy a fuel pump out of a 1996 Impala, and the fuel sending unit is from a 1990 Caprice. But this piece that I got is pretty much how you're gonna wire it up, you know, and just make your connections. Hope that explains it. All right, let me keep moving, man. Bro just pulled up in the motherfucking work truck. Yeah. This bitch hard. Yeah, this bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grind time. Shout out your business, man. What your plans is or to put for this shit?
Man, y'all reach out to No Worries Auto Repair.
No Worries Auto Repairs coming soon.
Coming soon out of Richmond, Virginia. We doing everything. Everything. No job too small. No job too big.
Grind hard. Get this jank.
Anything a shop can do, we can do.
Let's get it. With me, I'm all in the motherfucking way. Oh, we gotta have them cameras. Yeah, I'm fucking with this jank. Chevy, big diesel. Drove this jank straight from Miami to Virginia. He been out here working on this jank since he got here. Apartments and shit. Got to keep that fire hydrant. The fire extinguisher. This bitch hard, man. Hell yeah. No Worries Auto. Bro doing this fucking thing. Had to stay tuned for more updates for this bitch. Say they gonna wrap it, put this logo on the side, run some LEDs up on this jank. Put some more shit up in it, man. Y'all know this jank is not gonna stay the same. That's for damn sure fucking around with Reese. See what we got up in here. Ooh, shit.
This is too big for the cart, so the wheels get stuck.
See what we got up in this jank. Yeah. Yeah, I'll run all these lights. Want to do all of them janks work too. See, these ones do. Got a little control center and shit. Yeah. This jank hard. On the way. Coming soon. Outlet. He said he gonna put like a screen or something way there. Make that jank like some type of digital display or something. Like right here. Like the batteries to that jank up under there and shit.
All these invoices.
He working. Don't worry, man. When this jank up and running, man, I'm pretty sure the number gonna be posted on the side of the truck, man. Oh, I'll holler at them then, man. Look at Pop. Just chilling. She runs strong too, man. Got to. Got this bitch from Miami. Oh yeah, I did fix my pickup.
On the brakes, snatch that junk off that junk.
I'm on the brakes. Snatch something off the brakes. Hey. 10 out of 10, this is a score. It showed the support though.
Not bad for a man about a rich man. Rich money, rich cities with a rich chick. Not bad for a man about